Hi, I'm Dan Nicol from Dan Really Likes Wine with a Gallic and bubbly spring in my step this month because October is International Champagne Day, and although we make some fabulous world-class sparkling wine in South Africa, our celebrated Cup Classique, it's always nice to have a little French treat from the original home of bubbles, Champagne. Now, it can only be called Champagne if it's from the Champagne region, and that's exactly where Laurent-Perrier calls home. This is the Brut La Cuvee, which means it's a nice, dry, crisp example of classic French champagne. It's not the only option you have, though, at Pick n Pay if you fancy a little champagne shopping. There's also this from Laurent-Perrier. Now, this is new at Pick n Pay, and this is a style of champagne that is getting more and more and more popular. It is Demi-Sec. You can see it written there. What that basically means is it's just a bit sweeter. So if either you like your bubbles slightly sweeter or you want bubbles with food, I often find that a slightly sweeter champagne goes really nicely with something savory to eat, or just as the sun goes down and you want to raise a glass to Champagne Day and wine in general, then this is a really cool option. So whether you prefer it drier or just a little sweeter, loads of options from Laurent-Perrier amongst others as we celebrate Champagne Day at Pick n Pay. To join the Pick n Pay Wine Club, simply SMS your smart shopper number to 36775. It's absolutely free, and you'll get for yourself 3 times the smart shopper points on every bottle of wine bought. You'll also get a 20% discount on 10 different wines each month, a 25% discount on a case of wine, and a Magnum, some terrific competitions and invitations to awesome events.